So what you can also do is you can go ahead and add in photos to existing albums inside of Google Photos. So to do that, I can go around onto the album section right here. And once you go ahead and do that, you can choose an album where you want to add your photo. Let's say, for example, I can go around onto this. Then what you can actually do is you can simply go around and press the add photos button. Then from your existing photo or and video collection, you can go ahead and add that in right there, and they will get added onto the album just like this, as you can see. And you can also go ahead and then click on select from computer to upload it out onto an existing album. So if you want to go ahead and add some pictures out to the album, you don't actually need to go ahead and then create a new one from scratch, but you can actually go ahead and add them out at your wish as well. So that is how you can go ahead and add photos to existing album inside of Google Photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.